back to Cracku JEE. Our JEE Mains Math course is finally live. And I believe most of you already know about it. And if you know about it, I want to make sure you guys use our course efficiently. And that's why I'm making this video. So in this video, I will show you how to maximize the mains exclusive math course. So first of all, I wanted to know that this course is designed by Maruti sir, who is IIT. Here it's not visible because it's black on black, but it's IIT JEE 29, IIT Bombay CSE alumni, and also Radha Krishna sir, who has over 15 plus years of teaching experience. So rest assured, guys, this course has been designed by people who have been through it and people who have guided students to go through it. This is going to be your Cracku JEE interface. First, there'll be a welcome sign, and then you will have 3 quick links. Let's go through one by one. Okay, the first one is daily targets. Daily targets is something that we have always encouraged our students to do because it helps people maintain consistency, and it is proven fact. Guys, from next week, we are going to go live on this channel with RK sir every single day for JEE Mains Mathematics. Make sure to attend the class and you can ask him any doubt because he has so much experience. He can clarify all your doubts. And don't forget to subscribe. Usually, today's daily targets are free for everybody, but since you're a student of Cracku, you will get the previous days daily targets as well. You will get access to all the previous days daily targets as well, which normal students don't get. And guys, if you successfully finish 50 tests, then you can win a Cracku JEE t-shirt, which is my favorite. Right now I don't have it, but it's really good. And the next quick link is the JEE Question Bank. I must tell you that we have one of the largest question banks in the entire country. With mathematics, we have around 4,000 questions, and in physics we have 3,000 plus questions. In chemistry, we have 3,000 plus questions. Imagine practicing all these questions and going to JEE. You are exam ready on the spot. See, when it comes to mains, speed is the most important thing. Like advanced, you don't get like really tough questions, but you must be able to solve the questions within the time frame, and you should be able to solve them accurately. That's why practice is so important. And that's the reason we have included the JEE Question Bank here. The next quick link is JEE Mains Mocks. Since you are a student of Cracku, you'll get more mocks. But people who are not students of Cracku will get 3 free mocks. Make sure to attempt them. Guys, since we are just 5 months away from JEE Mains, it is very important to you to get in the exam zone. That's why mocks are very important. Start attempting mocks as much as possible. Finally, my favorite part of the entire interface is the batch schedule. Batch schedule, you will get topics daily. For instance, today, 19th August, is arithmetic progression for today. Let's see what is there in arithmetic progression. So I'll click on arithmetic progression and I will be redirected to this. Here, I will get a video to watch on arithmetic progression, and this is RK sir actually teaching you arithmetic progression. So it's of 37 minutes. And here you will get a concept test which has 5 questions, which is of 20 minutes each. You can also take notes on it, and you can also ask us doubts here only. To me, I think concept test is the best part out of the entire entire watching the series and everything, because it is very important to test yourself as soon as you learn a concept. It is very common practice that students will look at the videos and feel like they're exam ready. But we realize that it's not the way that things should happen. So you will get past days, whatever you missed also you can cover here. Everything is pre-recorded. So you will get to practice the concept test, watch the recorded lectures, and get exam ready. So basically, this is how the interface will look like, guys. And if you go to practice here, you will be redirected to daily targets, question banks, math questions, physics questions, and chemistry questions from here also. And math rush, physics rush, chemistry rush. This is basically the gamified version of practicing questions. This has been very successful in the entire Cracku interface. We have tried it in other competitive exams as well, and this is the most successful part for us. For instance, let's go to sets and relations. Start the math rush. Okay, this is how your rush will look like. So you should be able to answer. Okay, I'm just clicking random answers. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, 2 are right. Okay, anyways, this is how the rush will look like. End rush, yes, I'm sure. So rush is really interesting and really gamified. You scored better than 90% of the students. Oh, thank you. Okay, guys, this is about the Cracku JEE Mains Math course interface. If you have any doubts regarding that, do let me know in the comments. And if you are interested in the course, do let me know in the comments. Guys, from next week, we are going to go live on this channel with RK sir every single day for JEE Mains Mathematics. Make sure to attend the class and you can ask him any doubt because he has so much experience. He can clarify all your doubts. And don't forget to subscribe.